Happy New Year 2023. From the travel point of view, right now this is the first trip of the year 2023. Guess where I am? In Spain, in Cordoba. Basically we are in Sevilla, but we made it over here for a day, and tomorrow we will see what we'll do. We are in Sevilla for 3 days. I also have a new GoPro. It's like upgraded, it's to 11, so let's see if you will notice some difference. So that's how the oranges are harvested, I would say. There is a very pleasant scent of oranges. I mean, it's like pretty much everywhere around. Like every single one of these trees has an orange, like multiple of them. Also over here. Palms everywhere. I'm wearing shorts over here, even though it's January, but it's around 13 or 14 degrees Celsius. There are these oranges growing on the tree. I wonder how it tastes like. I mean, I could just maybe get one. But they smell very nice. Let's try it. Zvukové efekty dáme preč. I managed to peel the orange. My entire hand is like covered in orange juice, but let's try it. It's quite sour, but it's good actually. It's very good. It's full of seeds. So chutnať? Yeah?
No.
Okay, let's try to eat one more. It's very sour. Maybe they are just not ripe yet. The weather is like great so far. Honestly, I mean it's amazing. For January, it's very warm. There's this like random airplane over here. So the train, I mean, we had to buy the train in advance. We had to buy it for a fixed time. The train costs like 12 euros one way. Yeah, for tomorrow we're actually thinking that we would go to Cadiz, but we might actually rent a car because it seems it's going to be even cheaper than going by train, and there's going to be much more flexibility. This greatly reminds me of Plaza Mayor in Madrid, and also I think similar looking square was in Palma. Alright, it's probably time to go back to Sevilla, so let me just cut it through and let's be in Sevilla as soon as possible. So we've gotten back to Sevilla. So after some time in the accommodation, we finally decided for tomorrow we're going to rent a car. But right now, let's enjoy the night Malaga. Fuck, so right now let's enjoy the night Sevilla, but we'll still have one entire day for this town. So this is Plaza de España. When I looked it up on the internet, it seemed big, but I didn't expect it to be big like this. And also there's pretty much nobody over here because it's roughly 10 in the evening, so I guess that's probably why. So we've gotten back to the accommodation. It's roughly 11 at night. Tomorrow we're renting the car, so talk to you tomorrow and I will see how I'll make this video somehow. So peace out.